ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we have a special surprise of an unveiling of a past product that you've been waiting for.
Welcome, lovelies. A huge box with Zsiska, and we are all excited. Tessa's excited, Lousje's excited, and Charlie is very excited.
So
He couldn't wait to come in between us, right?
look at his eyes for her. He just, it's like, you are the love of my life. It is so funny, this dog. He is always walking behind her and staring at her. And look, he just, look at his eyes.
It's you and me, right,
Oh,
buddy?
it's so cute.
Let's
Alright.
get to it.
Yes, so we are so excited. We are restocking the Bliss, a lot of the Bliss. We have some necklaces that I felt like I didn't wear any jewelry on purpose so that I could put one of these on. This is one of my favorites. I feel like the colors are so beautiful. Could be all year, but imagine this with linen, natural linen.
I want a necklace too.
Yeah, oh, look at stripes for you.
Stripes, or I like the chartreuse one actually.
This is new. We just ordered this one. We did have the crackle in the watermelon and the other colors that I'll show you, but this is a new one for us with the purple and yellow. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful. I know.
What
And these are
great
so
product.
easy. They're the best.
Yeah, and what a statement, right?
Yeah, and you know, you can keep adding to them as well. We just sell them in twos, but it's really fun to have 4 pieces or even
Imagine
3.
these 4 together, Tessa. Look at this.
Yeah. So they're so easy, ladies. You can purchase the actual necklace itself on its own.
Right.
And then you can purchase any of the beads now. We're exclusively doing that here at the boutique, just like Lousje said. So you could even go, look at that. Like, how cool is that?
Oh, I
So
love
pretty,
that.
eh?
Love,
Yeah.
love.
4 looks really great, actually.
Yeah. Here, let me try it.
Yeah,
on.
try it with your stripy outfit. I bet you would look stunning. He's so funny. He's chilling. Yeah, beautiful. That's so beautiful. Makes such a statement. And they're the perfect.
And light.
So light. And this magnet at the back is really strong, so you're not going to lose them. And they're just, I feel like it's the perfect length for,
True.
you know, if you have those tops that you need to
True.
fill the little gap. But yeah, we have lots, ladies. We brought in the borrow too, which is so pretty. The silver.
Oh, beautiful.
And with a black bead. I mean, how pretty would that be?
Absolutely gorgeous.
So you could purchase, you know, the black bead would be such a staple to have, and then you just pepper in these others to, yeah, like how beautiful is that? Yeah. Gorgeous. And then there's also silver ones, so you could also add a silver square, and like how pretty is that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, or you could flip that around.
Oh yeah.
And then
I
have
like
it
that a lot.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Black and silver, so classy. And then there's also gold as well. So the borrow bead in gold. Another great one that we restocked was the crystal ones. And these were from the summer seasons, the spring summer collection this year. But look at how beautiful those are as well.
Oh, that's fun.
And then you could just, you know, play with just that color or just those 2 colors.
Yeah,
We
very
sold those,
fun.
but
Yeah.
they're
Very
so
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And the white, the clear one, I feel like is a classic that you could add with anything, you know, it'd be a good basic to have.
That's how you should think about it, right? To have one basic, like for instance this one.
Yeah.
And then you add.
You just keep adding.
Yeah.
So this is a special one for Joan, a good customer of ours. I know she wanted the yellow, so we brought the yellow in. Yeah. So we brought that in for you, Joan.
It is very pretty.
So the yellow,
very pretty.
So that's a beautiful look too. Imagine that too with the black and white. How great
that's
that
lovely.
looks. I also want to show you, ladies, that we also have again the crystal earrings. So then you can have the matching there with the matching earring, which is great.
Very cool.
And then this is a beauty that I've always loved. That's a beautiful one.
Yeah.
A lot of the beads, ladies, do have matching earrings. So there's the borrow, that's the silver. And then we have the one I'm wearing. So how cute would that be to wear the matching little dangly?
Really?
It's very
Adorable.
dainty earring.
Dainty.
Yeah. And then Lousje here, this would be for you. How cool would that be?
Oh, a little square.
Square or the squiggles. Like how
yeah.
beautiful that would be.
Oh yeah,
with
I
yours.
love these.
Yeah. So, and these are so light and so easy to wear. And they are sterling silver hook with a cute little resin.
Yeah.
resin
And you know what
ball.
I like too? The hook is quite long, right?
Yeah,
So,
so you're not going to lose it.
No.
No. Also, ladies, something new for us in the boutique, which we ordered, are these beautiful bangles.
Yeah.
So imagine, Lousje, you're wearing those with your black and white.
Yeah, beautiful.
I know, so nice, hey?
Yeah, very
And then
nice.
we brought back all the turquoise and the fuchsia, which are my favorite, the fuchsia color.
Oh,
for the
yeah.
But imagine you put that on there too.
Yeah.
Like, how great would that look?
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And-
Absolutely gorgeous.
And then we've restocked the hearts as well.
Oh.
So imagine, look at the two together. Wouldn't that be
Yeah.
cool?
Yeah.
And then we also have earrings in these, and the red,
That heart.
so cute.
Beautiful.
And this is such a great gift,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
It's so beautiful.
Great price point.
Great price point, goes with anything.
Exactly. We'll
It's-
have it forever.
Yeah, and it's adjustable. I just think it's such a sweet gift to give to a friend or someone that's important to you in your life.
Yeah.
But you can have it long or short, but it's just the cutest
it's
little heart.
adorable. Yeah. So, lovelies, today is kind of a big day for Glenn and I, because finally, our house plans are going to the city to be stamped, and we have got approval from the Heritage Committee. They approved everything, and so now everybody stamped their papers, and we're going to deliver it today at City Hall, and these are the plans, and we're
That's so
very excited.
Lousje Oort
Oh,
in Glenmar. That's so cool.
and look how thoughtful of him. He said his name was first, and mine was second.
Oh, he's
And
so
he-
sweet.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Because we're equal partners, and he said it's ridiculous that they automatically always put the man's name.
I love
It's
that.
true.
No, it's true.
And I said, you know, God, that's why I love you so much, Glenn. And this is a picture of
Oh my God! Yeah, it's
Oh,
beautiful.
it's so beautiful. So, since it has been approved so heavily by the Heritage Committee, they actually congratulated us by taking on this huge project, which it is. We don't think this is going to take too long. And then demolition of the back part is going to start. And yeah, the whole event is going to start. So you guys have been you lovelies have been so interested in it and supportive and everything, and asking me how it's coming along. So this is, I will keep you informed.
It's so
And
exciting.
now there's lots to talk about, because now things are going to happen. So we bought it in November. And not too bad. January, February, March, April, May. Well, quite a long, half a year almost. Anyway, we hope to move in next spring. So this is my story.
Yeah, it's so exciting. I'm so excited
Yeah,
for you guys.
it's lovely.
Such a lovely adventure.
I know.
I can't wait. And Glenn is just the sweetest, and
Yeah, he's
so
a real
awesome.
gem. It's
Yeah.
be so fortunate to find this at this stage in my life.
Yes,
It's
I know.
true.
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway,
You
it was
deserve
meant
it.
to be.
Yes, it was meant to be.
It's true.
You waited a while.
I had to kiss a few frogs. It's true.
I know. Oh, I know. I've been right there with you the whole way. No, I was just joking. Anyways, all right, ladies. Thank you so much.
Thank you, lovely.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the website for the new Zsiska that is up. And as always,
Yes.
if you have any questions, please let us know. And
Keep on smiling.